Good day to you, bonjour, and welcome to this short reading. Let's see what we have in store as a message for you today. Wisdom. Wisdom. Let's see. Okay, start with this. The Sun and the Knight of Wands at the bottom. And we have the Page of Cups with the Six of Cups. To me, this seems like some sort of upheaval regarding a child. Maybe we're in the process of slowly but surely getting into the teen years, and there may be some sort of behaviors that appears to be out of character, and that might be concerning for some people. Maybe also, I need to mention it, there might be some concern about friends that might be not seen in the best light. Maybe we have a parent here that feels that, the kids shouldn't hang out with certain people. And the word wisdom that I heard at the beginning is telling me that it's a phase. Take a step back. Take a step back with the king. We have the King of Swords here. We have the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords. And the reason it's asking you to take a step back here and try to be objective and take a bird eye view, even though now the kid might be pushing your button. They might be arrogant or defying the boundaries. And the reason why it's asked not to be too emotionally invested, as in emotionally reactive to this type of behavior, it's going to generate even more defensiveness and entrench the behavior even more. Where maybe less, if you take the approach of being more objective, less reactive, it will keep the communication channel open. With the six, we see the letter, so we can communicate instead of creating this this defensiveness, like you're judging me. When we reach the teenage years, we tend to be more we tend to become extremely socially conscious, and it's a time period where we feel so uncomfortable, and we need to have this space to explore and make mistake without having someone towering over us telling us what's right or what's wrong. Although obviously it's within limits, but lovingly caring approach where we do not engage emotionally with this lashing out that can occur sometimes, not all the time, but they will push the boundaries. So okay, yes, what I have here is that the final message here is that it's all about self-worth and finding oneself here. I don't know if it can be seen. That's at the bottom of the deck, and we have someone is really wrapped up in their mind, and there's so much information coming in and so many people to that we consider, because our mind is becoming bigger and we see other people differently than we used to before. And this is telling me that this person is looking for themselves, and that's true. And you find yourself through making different attempts, which some of course will not work. So yes, I hope this was helpful. Keep a smile and belief in yourself. We all learn from each other. So if this person is really pushing some of your buttons, it's a good opportunity to look within ourselves if in this situation there is something that we could be working on ourselves. Okay, thank you, and I hope this helped, and take care. Good luck.